How to draw a blowfish. To start off, we're going to draw a shape that looks like a sideways raindrop. This will be for the inside of the mouth. Then we're going to draw a curved line going around the top of this shape. This will be for the top lip of our blowfish. Great job! After that, we're going to draw another curved line, but this one will be underneath the middle of the mouth. This one will be for the lower lip of our blowfish. Great job learning how to draw, Hub Crew! Now we're going to draw the body of our blowfish. We're going to draw a big circle in the middle of our page connecting to the lips. Next, we're going to start at the lips and we're going to draw a curvy line going to the right side of our circle. But we're going to leave a little space in the middle, and this will be for our blowfish's fin. Now we're going to draw the fin. We're going to draw a small backward C-like shape above the space, and then we're going to draw a big curved line going around. This will connect the space that we left in that curved line before. Great job learning how to draw, Hub Crew! Our drawings are really coming along. Now we're going to draw the back fin. Make sure to stick around until the very end so that we can color in our drawings together. We're going to add a few lines going through our back fin for detail. Next, we're going to draw a small curved line above the lips. To the left of that line, we're going to draw a half circle. This will be for the left eye. Then to the right of that line, we're going to draw a big circle. This will be for the right eye. Now we're going to finish drawing the eyes. We're going to draw a circle inside of the ones that we just drew, and then we're going to draw an even smaller circle inside of those ones that would be colored in black. But we're going to leave a little circle left white. This will add some detail to our pupils. Looking great, learn how to draw, Hub Crew! Now let's go ahead and draw the left eye. Next, we're going to draw two small curved lines above the eyes. These will be for the eyebrows. Then we're going to add some lines going through our fin. Lastly, we're going to add some spikes to our blowfish. These will be somewhat like triangle shapes going all the way around the outside of our circle. This is how to draw a blowfish. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, then be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you like step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, then make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Now let's go color in our drawings together.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.